How's your 7-Eleven coffee?
I get coffee at Taco Bell, so this is fucking amazing. Fuck!
You look like the host for Dirty Jobs.
Son of a bitch. I think it's a compliment if you look Mike Rose. Oh yeah, absolutely.
The ocean's gonna be so, like, cause you're gonna see the mountains and then the ocean. I mean, if there's women, that'd be cool too, but this is good. Good catch. There's mountains here? Is it like California now?
Yeah.
Day 2 here. Is it? Drank too much, man.
Kindergarten teacher. Nice. Got told one of that bastard's ass out, see? Requires goofy pants and a fat ass. You should talk to my neighbor, the accountant. He's probably a great golfer. Huge ass. I like rocks. Rocks are my big thing.
Dragged me to a Scientology church.
But we couldn't stay there any longer when we weren't going to buy a book.
We did get free pamphlets.
We couldn't hang out too much longer after we asked what closet John Travolta and Tom Cruise were in.
Can't even read. Is it worth $3,000 for a 1-bedroom?
Yes. You're on, bitch.
I was 22. Got his Bono shades on, Joseph Dirt t-shirt, his Mike Rowe jeans, and his Ashtabula County boots. There was State Farm for this shit.
Hello, California.
You know what I noticed about locals out here?
What?
They don't have a home.
That's a question. You guys shoot a lot of video? How much of it can you use? Hardly any.